Good morning, welcome to CATEX TV. My name is Frank Fortunato. Today is Tuesday, May 22nd, 2012. Outside of Hyderabad, India, early this morning, the Hampi Express rammed into a parked freight train and caught fire, killing at least 25 people and injuring possibly as many as 75 more. Apparently, the driver of the express, upon seeing the stopped cargo train in front of him, immediately hit the brakes and ended up derailing a number of cars on the express, which subsequently caught fire. Steve McGill, the head of Aon's largest broking division, Aon Risk Solutions, has now been appointed to the role of group president in a move that it extends his influence across the whole group. Aon is the world's largest insurance brokerage. McGill joined Aon in 2005 and is part of the executive team relocating to London from Chicago, following Aon's decision to relocate its corporate headquarters there. McGill will also continue to have oversight for Aon Benfield, the industry's largest reinsurance broker. Here's interesting news coming from the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, the OECD. They warned that the 17-country Eurozone risks falling into a severe recession unless the Eurozone leaders adopt a, quote, growth compact to promote growth even while reducing deficits. French President François Hollande has made securing such a pact the focus of his new administration. So-called Eurobonds, debt issued jointly by countries in the currency zone, would be used to recapitalize banks. This morning, once again, German Chancellor Angela Merkel reiterated her opposition to Eurobonds. Indian oil refiner Mangalore Refinery and Petrochemicals has obtained insurance cover for a crude oil shipment from an Iranian oil insurer. This is ahead of the July 1st deadline for EU insurers to stop providing coverage for Iranian oil shipments. The company had been unable to get cover in India because local insurers would have to go to the London market. So as a result, they decided to purchase cover from an Iranian insurance company. However, according to a source, the insurance will be obtained on a case-by-case basis. Mangalore has cut its import quota from Iran by about 30%. So the Iranians obviously are very desperate to sell product to get revenue. Property catastrophe reinsurer Renaissance Re's robust performance in 2011 has been recognized by the ratings agency AM Best. AM Best affirmed the financial strength rating of RenRe at A+. That's as good as it gets. Conan Ward has resigned as CEO of Validus Re and is going to leave the company altogether in February of next year. After more than 2 weeks of rumors, Validus confirmed overnight that Ward has given up his position as head of Validus's Bermuda operating subsidiary. No details of the succession are reported. He's going to be replaced by Keane Driscoll, who's currently the chief underwriting officer. The big earthquake in Italy, the 6.0 that struck on Sunday, is apparently going to cause insured losses of about 128 million US. London-listed Titan Europe announced that its large agricultural wheel production facility that makes wheels for tractors, combines, and other things, located in the city of Finale Emilia, right in the earthquake zone, is currently inoperable, shut down. That facility accounts for about $80 million of the firm's annual $550 million annual revenue. Titan said that it did have insurance cover in place, so that's presumably part of the insured loss. The U.S. Geological Survey has said that a 6.0 earthquake struck near the Bulgarian capital of Sofia earlier today. No reports of any damage or injuries. Soon thereafter, an aftershock of 4.9 struck in the same area. That Russian plane, the Sukhoi Superjet that went down in Indonesia on May 9th, is still in the news. That killed 45 people. One of the black boxes were found, and according to the government newspaper in Moscow, the Roskaya Gazette, apparently the plane's land collision warning system was functioning during the flight and alerted the crew to the danger. Preliminary conclusions are now that there haven't been any signs of failure in the systems. But wait, hold on, there's another cockpit recorder. The cockpit recorder that they did find can reveal whether or not any alarm sounded, and they can track the conversations between the pilots. However, the hunt for the digital flight recorder is still going on. The digital flight recorder contains information on the functioning of the plane's systems and engines. That clearly is going to be the most important one. The Los Angeles Lakers were eliminated last night from the National Basketball Association Finals by the Oklahoma City Thunder. Goodbye, Kobe Bryant. That's the end of the news for today. If we have any breaking news, we'll come back and tell you. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow.